I'm Sandhya from Tenet Technetronics. Today we are going to see unboxing of UDOO as well as running the scilab on UDOO board. So what exactly is this UDOO board? UDOO is a development kit. It contains multiple development platforms to work with. Like it includes Linux, Android, Arduino and Google ADK. The board performance is equivalent to 4 Raspberry Pi and 1 Arduino Duo. Due to the performance enhancement of this board, there is a one-stop solution for your creativity. Let's have a look through the details of UDOO. This is how the UDOO board looks out of the box. So let me start explaining with the power supply first. This is a power jack. The board requires 12 volts 2 amps. You can also have an external battery connection. This is the slot. The processor is from Freescale, that is IMX6 ARM Cortex A9 quad-core processor, that is 1 GHz speed. The RAM is 1 GB DDR3. There is Atmel ARM Cortex M3 controller, which is same as Arduino Duo. There are 76 GPIO pins and there is a slot for touchscreen. This is for SATA connection. This is for camera connection. One is for mic and one is audio jack. There are 2 USB ports and 1 GB Ethernet port, or you can go for inbuilt Wi-Fi. 1 HDMI out. There are 2 mini USB OTG. There are 2 buttons, one for power supply, one for reset. And finally there is micro SD slot for booting. Till now we have seen the details of the UDOO board. Now let's see the booting. I have connected the power adapter, that is 12 volts 2 amps, and keyboard and mouse to the USB port, and for video out I have connected the HDMI cable. I have downloaded the Ubuntu image from the udoo.org and ported it to the SD card and inserted it. For the porting of image to the SD card, please check the below link. Now the UDOO board is booting. This is how the UDOO desktop looks. There is a default Chromium web browser for browsing, and there is a Arduino IDE which comes default with the UDOO, and I've connected the internet through Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi. So now let's get started with the application, how to run the scilab. Go to applications, science, scilab. Open it. For installing the scilab on UDOO, just click the below link. We can see the demo how to run the scilab or simple applications in the scilab. So I'll just make a simple mathematics. I'm clicking the Xcos here. So you can use different modules and make the own flow graph. Thanks for watching this video. For more details, visit our website www.tenettech.com.